Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you an amazing product that's been a game changer in my home. I've been using it for a while now, and I just can't wait to tell you all about it. It's a total lifesaver, especially during the humid months. You know, when the air is thick with moisture and it feels like you're breathing through a wet sponge. It's not only uncomfortable, but it can also lead to mold and mildew growth, which is a whole other problem. It's a home dehumidifier designed to remove excess moisture from the air, making your space feel more comfortable and dry. This thing is a total rock star, and I'm about to dive into all the details, so stick around. I've been using it in my living room, and it's made a huge difference. The air feels fresher, and I don't have to worry about mold or mildew anymore. Plus, it's been great for my allergies. I've noticed a significant reduction in congestion and sneezing. So, let's break down the specs, shall we? This dehumidifier can cover an area of up to 7,000 square feet, which is pretty impressive. It's got a 50-pint capacity, which is more than enough for my needs. It's also Wi-Fi enabled, which means I can control it from my phone, which is super convenient. I can turn it on and off, adjust the settings, and even monitor the humidity levels in my home, all from the comfort of my bed. It's got an auto shut-off feature, so I don't have to worry about it running all day. The max capacity is 120 pints, which is huge. And it's got a turbo mode, which is perfect for those super humid days when you need a little extra power. All these features combined make it a total powerhouse. I've also been impressed with how quiet it is. Well, relatively quiet. It's not whisper quiet or anything, but it's not obnoxiously loud either. It's got a nice, gentle hum that's easy to tune out. And the design is sleek and modern. It looks great in my living room and doesn't take up too much space. I've even moved it to my basement during the really humid months, and it's been a total lifesaver down there. The air can get really stagnant and musty in the basement, but this dehumidifier has kept it feeling fresh and clean. In my opinion, this dehumidifier is a solid 8 out of 10. It's been a total game changer for me, and I think it could be for you too. The only reason I'm not giving it a 10 is because it can be a bit loud, but that's a small price to pay for the benefits it provides. I mean, think about all the money you'll save on allergy meds and mold remediation. It's a worthwhile investment, if you ask me. And the fact that it's Wi-Fi enabled makes it so easy to use and monitor. It's definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a reliable dehumidifier. So, if you're in the market for a reliable dehumidifier, I highly recommend checking this one out. It's been a total blessing for me, and I'm so glad I got it. And if you found this review helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I'd love to have you join my community, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.